Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Ranger 5 Bullies and Built to Go Bullies. So today we out with the pups. We headed to a dog show that's in Danville, Illinois. So we pulled over to let the puppies get a chance to use the bathroom, give you a glimpse of the pups. So we only brought 2 today. We brought Duce, headed to the show, and we brought Ozia. So we're gonna go stack these boys off and see what they do today. We had plans on bringing a couple more dogs for Cartier, but we don't have nobody to watch the dogs while we stack, so we just ended up bringing these 2 boys with us.
Yes, sir.
Got something you want to say, Bud?
Shit, we ready. Catch us out there at the show, man.
Yeah, it's time to get these boys out here, get them rolling. They're the right age now.
Shit, we got, what, 10 months?
10 months. It'll be 10 months at the end of this month.
10 months? 6 months?
6 months here, Ozia. Bowled out. Looking good.
We're not playing right now. We're about to go.
Finally made it to the show. Let's get a look at the trophies real quick.
Man, quit, man. Who's that can, man? Oh, that's you. You okay, man? You okay? You go. I'm making sure that one here. You hear me? Hey, you look like a boy. You hear me, bro? She got some balls for real. Yeah. And she need to be back in heat. She need to be back in like any week, like any time. I want you to see that Colossal son that got like that. Yeah, I want the boy that have, but only 9 months. I gotta wait.
So you here go to category for you, best 6-month puppy, 0 to 6 months.
And I'm just getting started with my in-house too.
Best chocolate, best white purple, black or blue, most extreme, best try, biggest dog in the building. I should have bought MJ for that. Shortest bull, best white or fireball, longest stack, best head.
Glad I know.
I regretted that.
Yeah, for real.
I'd be like, man.
Regret I sold them. Shit.
What's this one off of?
They all off George and my BMF daughter. I got a BMF micro exotic. She micro exotic. I took the micro exotic to the he exotic. What's he called? The big shit. He a micro.
Standard
He a
exotic.
no. He a hell no. He a
Micro extreme.
a micro extreme.
I like
George a
that
micro
one.
extreme.
This one right
She's
down
the smallest
there.
one. She's so freaking little, bro.
I wouldn't get rid of it.
Ooh, She's so damn freaky. She's freaky little. That's that micro exotic kicked in with her. That shit kicked in with her. I'm surprised you never seen George before, man.
Yeah, I seen George.
Yeah. I know you seen George before. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
water.
Ozia. She like a nano to me, man. She like a little nano. Bubble, side stacking. Ozia. Anybody that want to stack? Anybody that want to stack? So this category is the junior handlers. I need my nephew King here for the junior handlers. So let's find out who won the junior handlers here.
My boy Ray. Dino. Shoot. Sit. Dino.
$1 million shot up on
There you go. Good girl.
Come here. Come here. Sorry.
Sit. Down. Good girl.
Everybody come back. She wants to walk.
I gotta get him out there.
Hand him the ribbon for his photo. Hand him the ribbon. There you go.
So your junior handler winner is here. So we got the best chocolate male here. This big boy here, Pocket, correct?
Yep.
You got a stud fee on him?
Right now, I ain't opened him up yet because he only 8 months.
He only 8 months? What would be your stud fee? You got any ideas of what it'll be?
I'm gonna open him up at 1,000 if he gave me
1,000 to start with, 500 lock in?
Yes, sir.
How can they reach you? Instagram, Facebook information?
Two exclusive buddies on Facebook, as well as on Instagram. They both exactly the same. 2XB, this it right here. That's where you can find us at.
So if anybody looking for a chocolate boy to lock in with, Pocket, get with 2KB.
Big Red Son.
Direct Big Red grandson. Anybody want a nice pocket? You just want the best chocolate.
Yeah, he only 8 months.
Hang tight, guys. I think it's
Black and blue category.
Hey, we got 16 dogs.
Best black, best blue category.
Yo, hold it up here for me.
Best black and blue category. We got the judge right here.
Keep the first 8 up here. Everybody else come to the side for a moment.
Yeah, the dad looked exactly like him, but less exotic, I guess.
Is that the dad to the pups?
That's the uncle.
Oh, the uncle? Uncle to the pups.
The dad looks just like this.
All pockets, right?
Oh, look at them! Oh my God!
Look at this one.
That's a boy.
Black and blue category. Let's see who wins.
Come on, come on.
My bad, dog.
Yes, sir. Good job.
Hey, what we do? Best lilac, best star. Hey, you getting in there, bro? Hey, you can just jump in there and then take care of her out.
What number you got right now? What number you got right now?
Did you get hit? You got hit in there? Y'all little short ass over here chilling.
He didn't move.
I didn't know he was behind his ass.
He didn't move. That's just having he doing these.
And just looking, oh, they acting stupid.
Good, Jerry. Good.
So they said put that fucking thing in there and they don't see it and go. And they would have been cool. You want to go? Everyone's on.
There's one on Facebook.
And he only 6 months. And you see how small, how small they is. So I thought they would leave that like, you put him in the best 6 months as well.
6 to 12 months.
Yeah.
Shortest.
Yeah.
And extreme.
They were that white country right there.
Hey, we finna do best white pie ball next. You did white, right? Yeah. Hey, you got one, no competition, bro. No competition. So I just leave you with it. You say this all about me. Take the ribbon, take the ring.
Yeah, take that ribbon, man. Take that ribbon.
Take that easy win.
Take that ribbon.
I'm going right here.
So we want best in the show.
Finally, I was waiting. Yeah, I think that. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Good with my boy. I'm thinking up there.
Best in the show. They didn't even record. What's up, YouTube world? I'm here with Kevin. He just had a successful dog show here in Danville, Illinois, the Bully BBQ. It was successful, no fighting, no disrespect. I had a good time. I'm all the way from Waukegan, Illinois. I just want to let him tell you about his show and how to contact him for any puppies, anything you're looking for.
Yeah, we trying to do something different, get everybody to come together, show the dogs what you can do, what type of dogs you got. You can get a hold of me, 217 Bully Blood, on Instagram, Snapchat, and my Facebook. Get with me and check me out.
So those that couldn't be here today, make sure you're here next year when he have the show. It's in Danville, Illinois. I'll put the flyer up when he dropped the flyer to let everybody know about it.
Yeah,
Peace out. You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
What's up, Bully World? We back. We've been riding for a couple hours now from the Danville Bully Show. We're now in Chicago. We're about an hour from home. We did win one ribbon. We probably should have won 2 or 3 more, but you know, it is what it is. So we do got this ribbon here. It's been a long trip. I know my guy Ty, he did all the driving.
Man, it was 102 down there.
Yeah.
When I tell you the dogs been through it, they exhausted right now. There was a couple close calls. We had to hit them with the lemon juice and the alcohol. Get them where they didn't overheat.
Yeah, we had to get the dog lemon juice, like you said, in water mix. Try to stop them from overheat. It was 102. And we had to spray them down with alcohol on their paws and underarms. Duce was foaming at the mouth, having problems breathing. So was Ozia. He was having problems breathing, but right now, as you see, they're doing good. They're wore down. Ozia was asleep. Duce ain't sat down yet. He been up and down sleeping.
Overall, it was definitely a fun show. Like you said, it was a good learning experience. This was the first show they were entered in. So it was good to see where they stand. And we know what we got to do. There's a lot of work that need to get done. And we about to put in some hours with these dogs and get them to come correct.
Yep, for sure. Yep. Well, like I said, it was good. The vibe was good. There was no animosity there. Almost was a dog fight, but that was taken care of. When we get home, we'll resume, edit this video, and drop it so everybody can get a glimpse of what we experienced. Peace.
Peace.
Come on.